We know your vehicle is important to you. It gets you to and from work, transports precious cargo, and gives you the freedom and independence to do what you want, when you want. Proper vehicle maintenance is crucial in preventing costly repairs and helping to prolong your vehicle's longevity. There are many reasons why servicing your vehicle at Whitecap Chevrolet Buick GMC is the best choice, and here's a few of them. If you bought your vehicle from Whitecap, you can take advantage of our loyalty program, which includes free tire rotations, free tire switchovers when both sets are on rims, free tire storage, free multi-point vehicle health checkup, free fluid checks and top-ups with every service, free filter checks. All of this for as long as you own the vehicle. Our GM certified techs are trained to diagnose and repair your GM vehicles. They have access to GM's technical resources and continue to upgrade their training as new vehicle models and technology are released. They also utilize the latest technical diagnostic equipment to ensure your vehicle is fixed right the first time. In other words, we know your vehicle better than anyone else. Now, it's a common misconception that servicing at the dealership will cost you more money, but take an oil change for example. We know the proper fluids and filters that your GM vehicle requires. Using the wrong fluids or filters could cause expensive repairs. And included with our oil changes, you get a full vehicle health checkup and fluid top-ups. Expect to pay extra somewhere else. All new GM vehicles come with a factory warranty. Your owner's manual will have the specific maintenance requirements for the vehicle warranty. When you get your regular service at Whitecap, you eliminate the possibility of avoiding the warranty for failure to meet the requirements. GM extended service contracts can also be purchased from us before your factory warranty expires for added protection. We have a huge inventory of original OEM GM parts that are built to GM specifications to fit your vehicle. Many of our replacement parts come with a 3-year warranty that covers parts and labor when we install them. In both sales and service, completely satisfied is our goal. And the only way I can achieve that is to make sure you get the best service possible every time you bring your vehicle to us.